Community health centers in China's Shanghai are doing their best to prevent severe cases of COVID-19. At Xiaokunshan Town Community Health Center in Songjiang District, the number of patient visits has exceeded 260 at its peak in a single day, with most of them elderly people.
87，我们下次多里方便一下，多方便一点嘛，就到这里来挂点嘛，就近一点。像住几天的，像嘛住在这里好了，人家挂着，稍微精神好一点，人家饭吃得下嘛。
Community health centers, seen as a critical complement to hospitals, have beefed up COVID-19 treatment-related services to prevent mild cases from growing into critical ones.
我们这次呢，利用康复病房，那么目前已经开设了24个床位，但是开设5天以来呢，已经是住满。从明天开始呢，我们继续扩容，那么应对就是老年人的就是就医需求。
Community health centers are also providing personalized medical services to senior citizens.
我这边是放松街道社区卫生服务中心的。你那个恢复以后你还是那个外面的那个如果出去外面的话，还是要尽量戴好口罩，好吗？然后不要太劳累啊。
对这些居民，如果有一些需求，比如说要转诊啊什么的，我们可以联系我们的家庭医生。我们家庭医生的一个电话呢，我们都是公布在我们辖区内的，所以呢，他们就是24小时可以随时联系我们的家庭医生。